are with KC Resources today. Objective today, scope of work, putting on a metal roof. Oh, we got new fresh tar paper, new fresh plywood, all the way across the roof. This side's not done yet, of course. Just putting on the new today. Me and my boy Mike. Let's see where, there he is. Just me and Mike putting up the metal roof today. And we've already got this done in about a couple hours, or probably about an hour. So probably about another couple more hours and we'll be done with this side of the roof. Anyways, get back with you later.